it's Squidward. He wants to complain to you.
No, I don't.
Well, what about all that stuff about him having a dirty ship and being lazy and all?
I never said that.
Insulting a man's ship be worse than insulting his mother.
No, wait. It was his mother you said was dirty, not his ship.
You can't put a price on me first time, and I can't forgive that thieving bilge rat Squidward for stealing it.
Listen, you cross-anxious cheapskate! Squidward's been living at my house, driving me crazy, and you're not gonna hire him back all because of a stupid dime!
What's that?
Me first time.
I'll show y'all! I don't need this suit! And I don't need this helmet neither!
Neptune Preserver!
How long can she stay like that?
I don't know.
Sandy's a girl?
Just get out of here, you stupid, dumb animal.
Give me the secret formula or I'll destroy the Krusty Krab!
Ah, you and what army, Bug?
What army? What army? Look around you, crabs!
You planted grass?
Grass?
Hi, SpongeBob. The SpongeBob! Who's SpongeBob? I said SpongeBob! Again, sorry, people.
Solitude in E minor.
Yeah, E minor, all right, yeah!
I am SpongeBob, destroyer of evil!
Take it easy, it's just a drawing. I'm Squidward, Squidward.
Wait! It's not enough to look like Squidward to be opposite.
You have to act like him, too. Boy, oh boy, do I like playing the clarinet. I practice and practice all day long, but I never get any better.
Now you try.
Okay. I'm Squidward. I'm Squidward.